Yeah, silos of management, bad.
Very bad.
Yeah, I think we could agree there. Lynn, HotLink has quite a bit of experience in hybrid IT management. So you want to talk a little bit about what you've just come out with?
Yeah, we just launched a new product, HotLink Cloud Management Express, that enables a very easy integration and management using vCenter and all the vCenter compatible tools and automation across many public clouds and private resources, including Azure, vCloud Air, Amazon Web Services, OpenStack, KVM, Hyper-V, and Zen Server, all using VMware vCenter.
So when somebody's starting to bring public cloud into their environment, what kind of management challenges would they experience?
Yeah, so the typical problem, and this is a long-standing issue, is they wind up building silos of automation around specific platforms. And in the beginning, that's okay, but it's completely unscalable, right? And so it winds up needing a lot of different skills, points of integration, and complexity that really that becomes a huge barrier when enterprises are trying to deploy multiple platforms, whether they're on or off premise.
When a customer has a multi-cloud environment,
yes.
how is your approach to managing that different than, say, whatever their options are?
So we talked about that overlay approach being bad, right? And so the idea of Cloud Management Express is to use VMware vCenter as an integration hub. This is VMware vCenter. HotLink has no user interface. So if you look along the left, what you'll normally see is a bunch of vSphere hosts and virtual machines. With HotLink in the infrastructure, you now use all that same inventory tree for all these different resource types. In this case, whether it's Azure, Amazon, OpenStack, and all of the same functions that administrators are used to using to manage vSphere, they're now using to manage these other resource types. So for example, let's say that we click on the Performance tab. You know, one of the problems with Microsoft Azure, to be frank, is they don't actually have any way to represent performance information. Here, administrators can use the exact same approach they use for vSphere now across other resource types. And to take that one step further, all of the automation that's been built and the workflows that have been built using PowerCLI, which is the VMware language, right, for scripting, now can be used across these other resources. So we're talking about tight, low-level integration. So again, vCenter can be used as that integration hub, and rather than building out all these stovepipes, all of the skills and all the automation that have already been built in a pure VMware environment can now be plug and play with these other platforms, whether on or off premise, and again can be deployed quickly, easily, in about an hour without a complex system integration project.
So how can viewers find out more about your products?
They need to go to our website, and I think they'll really be impressed with what they see. And so I hope they'll check us out.
And that would be hotlink.com?
Hotlink.com.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that interview with HotLink. Make sure to check out our other videos on our channel and subscribe.